Wagon are maintenance and process. Throttle body before cleaning. Throttle body after cleaning. Spark plugs before cleaning. Spark plugs after cleaning. Spark plugs testing with machine using different RPM. Using this, we can diagnose its spark power. Injectors ultrasonic cleaning with machine. This is very important for injectors. It clean inside and outside injector spray bases. Injector spray test with machine. Using this, we can easily diagnose injector spray level. Injectors after cleaning. Catalytic converter cleaning with machine using chemical and water. It's safe process for inside catalyst materials. Catalytic converter after cleaning. It must be clean at time, otherwise you may face serious problems related to engine pickup and fuel average and emissions. Look at dirt coming out from catalytic converter and exhaust pipes and mufflers. This process clear all dirt in our exhausted system that in catalytic converter or in exhaust pipes and mufflers. Fuel filter cleaning process. This is very important too. It should also be clean on time. Everything has its maintenance durability. Due to too many carbon in fuel filter, you will face low pickup and fuel consumption problem. So that's why clean it on time. For more information, contact us. Thank you.